ton of friction, then
Do it tight, guys.
then
And
you add more
watch
water.
him for a minute first, so that you get. Don't do it yet. Just watch.
So, all right. So my right hand stays right here, and my left hand goes on top like this. This is the righty method. So I'd say for the lefties, you two guys are lefties.
No, try it righty
Oh, lefties here, yeah. So then try it this way first, and I'll switch it if it feels like weird, and then you would just put your left hand here and your right hand on top. So what I do is I'm bending my right elbow, and it's leaning against my leg, and I'm leaning forward a little bit. So a lot of my weight is on the right side like this, and my right hand stays like this, and my left hand is on top like this. So first I'm going to just lean forward and put a lot of weight and pressure on the top with my left hand. And this helps stick the clay to the wheel. And then if you notice, right, it's very ovally, it's not in the middle, so that makes my hands move, right? So to make it centered and go in the middle, what I'm going to do is use my right hand on this side, my left hand on this side, and I'm going to push my hands together, and the clay's not going to have anywhere to go but up, right? It's going to make a cone. So then, and this takes a little bit of practice to find the right amount of pressure, but if your hands are moving around a lot and if your elbows are up, then you're probably not going to be able to move into the middle. So it helps to bend your elbow, push in, push a lot with both hands, go like this. And what we're going to practice right now is just doing that, bringing it up like this, and then pushing down with your hands like this, and making it into a little kind of shape like this, like a little hockey puck biscuit shape. And I'll show you the next step after that.
Should we wet it?
Yeah. So you want to add water on top. And that's how you can smooth it up too.